Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can name an HDMI port on your Samsung TV. So that you can customize it to say, PlayStation, DVD player, Roku stick, Fire Stick, whatever you want to name your HDMI to be. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So grab your remote, and on the bottom home bar there, you're going to want to go all the way over to where it says Source. And then go ahead and click on that. All right, so it'll bring up all the different ports that are plugged into your sources right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here to this second source, second HDMI that I have here. And we're not gonna click on it, we're actually gonna go click up. And then right there, you'll see where it says add to home or edit. We're gonna wanna go to edit. All right, and then this option will come up here to edit your device type. And it gives you some defaults here on the left-hand side: unknown, cable box, game console, PC, Blu-ray player, home theater system. I'm actually going to go to game console, and then I'm going to click over to the right, and then you can edit the name. And so we're going to go ahead and rename it. Okay, I named it PS5, and then you go over to done. There to the right, click on done, and then it'll want to confirm it. So you just go down to OK. All right, and there you can see, now it says PS5 under my HDMI 2 or Source 2 location. So that's how you edit an HDMI on your Samsung TV.